All right, you guys, and here's help on the extra credit IXL AA.1. It says, is XY a solution to this system of equations? So they're going to give you an ordered pair. That's an X and a Y coordinate, right? So in this case, it's 110. And you're trying to check and see if that works in both the equations below. It has to work in both to be a solution of the system. So what you may want to do, again, on IXL is just maybe show a little work. So for that first one, again, realize that y, okay, y is 10 in this case, and the 10 is going to go into this spot for each of the equations, kind of like on its own side by the equal sign, right? So you're just going to start plugging the numbers in and going left to right just as the equation looks. So I'm going with the top one right now. There's a y right here, so that's where I'm going to put in 10 equals, and then here I see an x, so I'm going to put in a 1, and then I'm just going to go plus, and then 9, okay? And I'm checking to see if that's true. 1 plus 9, yeah, that gives me 10. So yes, it is true, okay? Then I go down to the second equation. I do the same exact thing. So same for the second equation. Again, it starts off with y, so which is 10, equals 9 times x. Well, x is 1, so 9 times 1 gives me 9, and then plus 1. 1. Same thing. 9 plus 1 gives me 10. So it works in both, so then this must be a solution. So I'm going to click yes for this one, if it will let me. No, it's going to change my problem, but trust me, we got that one right, okay? So we did that, everything correct there. Well, let's try this one. Hopefully it won't change it on me. But that's what you're going to do. So let me see the same thing on this one, okay? Let me get my pen out. And again, this one says 1, 4. Check to see if 1, 4 is a solution to this system of equations, okay? So starting with the top one up here. So I'm just going to write left to right. I'm going to write the equation over here, okay? But I'm going to write the numbers in that they give me. This is x, this is y. I'm going to fill them in. So y, which is 4, equal sign,